Berserker! Yeah!
Milsurp Garage. What is up? All right, what are we bringing you today? We got the 6A sitting here on the table, huh? The Savage Model 6A. We've been through this 22. The click-clack gun. The one where when you fire, here, boom, you fire. The action stays back, and then when you let go, it closes. And the only one that will sound like that in the long line of 22s that are plinking. You'll stand out with the clickety-clack. Well, Jason Dorman left me a comment a couple of days ago about taking the butt stuff off to find a date on this thing. Because if you remember, you take a look at that video, this is made pre-68, and Savage did not grace us with serial numbers. As far as I could tell, looking over this thing, I didn't find any serial numbers. And even with this gun, it's such a convoluted gun. It's made by so many different manufacturers, so many different incarnations. Very difficult to narrow down. So just from how it was set up, just from how it looks, my research found they were made this way from 37 to 46. All right, so that's the window. 1937 to 1946. And I approximated it at 1939 because information that I found, this scope mount was circa around 1939. So that's why I said if this was put on, or maybe it was 38, so I added a year to it. You know what I mean? I just kind of I just threw a number out there. It was my best educated guess. But according to Jason Dorman, we're going to find, he writes exactly, take the buttstock off, month and year are written on the stock. So I don't think he's talking about the butt plate. He's actually saying take the buttstock off. And this isn't the hardest gun to take the buttstock off on. So I didn't notice anything last time I was in here, but don't know how thorough I poured over it. I do believe we just unscrew this and yeah, there we go. Couldn't be easier than that. So let's get some light on the subject here. Let me put on a different pair of spectacles. It has come to that. And let's see what we can find. I'm going to work along with you here with a flashlight. I don't see anything right away in here. Nope. Month and year are written in the buttstock. So it may be right there. Let me take a closer look right there. Hold on a second. Let me click on some brighter light here. And let me just bring this up to my face and really take a close look right in there. No. Not seeing it. Not seeing it. You? I got nothing. All right, let's check behind the butt plate, which I'm pretty sure. Let's see if this bit is way too wide for that. Let's get another bit. See, I wanted to do this together. You know what I mean? Me and you together. Remember we did a nice video on finding the right. You should have a set. A huge set of gunsmithing screwdrivers by now. It's a small price to pay. I'll show you here. I don't know if, I'm pretty sure I did a video on this, but like, here's my kit. Right, it shows what every piece does, and that's all. You don't have to go crazy. But you see, they're all different widths. A couple of them got a couple of chunks taken out of them. You know, they don't last forever. And if it wears out or you lose enough of them or whatever, you get another set. Let's see, I'm not going to cheap this out either. It does say something back here. I remember this, that it said something back here. I think I might have wrote it down. Well, on here, we just have a part number. Is that a... Whoa, glasses flying all over. Camera's getting bumped. This is turning into a crazy expedition here. No, this is just a part number. Part number on here. I thought maybe that was like some kind of scratched in date. I wanted to look at it real close, but nothing. But on the bottom here, what do we got here? Eli Norville. Imagine it said Jason Dorman. It would be like a David Blaine joke. All right, Jason, we got nothing here, Jason. I'm not saying that on yours it isn't there. And again, you could have one of the million different incarnations of these, but unless Eli wrote his name over the date or erased it, he's not telling us when he bought it. Would have been nice if he would have wrote a date back there. If it would have said his name. Maybe that's the Savage guy, the technician that put it together. You know what? Let's get this while we're here. We'll get this residual oil off the wood. We'll get in here and clean it out a little bit. I don't want to go too crazy. This gun's kind of used to the dirt and sawdust that's inside there. And what else we could do? We could give this a nice wipe below the wood line. Watch those springs when you're running around with a rag here. You catch those springs, you will ruin your day. Now, without touching that metal, we'll drop it back down. So yeah, we came up with a big zero right there. That's definitely not it. That is not the way to find the date for this guy. It might always be a mystery, but it was worth looking. And I thought it would be a cool video to, look with you and with Jason here. And Jason, if I'm missing something, please don't be afraid to follow up. But I'm not seeing it. And furthermore, it's still a mystery. So, got a few videos on the way here, gentlemen and ladies. Hang in there. I think we might do a little back-to-back today. So, we might do this one here in the morning or early afternoon. And then we might visit you again late tonight. I want to do a live. I want to do see how many people I can pick up live. Do a live video, but I think if you show guns in a live video, you get, can't you not do that? Yeah, you can't do that. Poor YouTube. I just have to sit here and talk to you, which neither of us want. Anyway, Savage, Model 6A. It's a mystery. I'm going with 1939 still. See you later.
Yes.